Gratitude has been called the mother of all virtues. Gratitude changes you and your brain. What exactly is gratitude? Where does it come from? Why are some people naturally more grateful than others? Are there ways we can foster more feelings and expressions of gratitude? In this video, we will explore everything. Recent evidence suggests that people who consciously remind themselves of their blessings tend to be much happier. Gratitude expands consciousness and opens up doors. It creates avenues in mind where the universe can respond. There are huge mental health benefits that come from gratitude. How to get there, to this state of mind? We must set a goal. If you tend to complain a lot, learn to challenge yourself to try another way, and be determined to know there is always something to be grateful for. Start today with just one thing. Start with the smallest of things. I am grateful for my cat, my dog, my job, or my home. Make a list and let it grow. Refer to it often. Each morning when you start your day and review it before sleep, you will sleep better, and your dreams will change too. You are beginning to transform with this simple life-changing process. People feel and express gratitude in multiple ways. They can apply it to the past, retrieving positive memories, and being thankful for elements of childhood or past blessings. We can apply it to the present, not taking good fortune for granted as it comes. We are grateful for the future by maintaining a hopeful and optimistic attitude. Regardless of the inherent or current level of someone's gratitude, let's level up with gratitude. It may feel silly or contrived at first. This mental state grows stronger with use and practice. No matter where you are on a scale of gratitude, it is something we can increase or take up a level. It's a superpower we can successfully cultivate further. If you're just getting started with gratitude practice, here are a few examples of things you can express gratitude for. 1. Your health. Take a moment to appreciate your body and all the ways it supports you each day, from breathing to moving to experiencing the world around you. 2. Your loved ones. Think about the people in your life who bring you joy and support you through challenges. Consider expressing gratitude for specific things they've done for you recently. 3. Nature. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the natural world around you, whether it's a sunny day, a blooming flower, or a starry night sky. 4. A simple pleasure. Think about something small that brings you pleasure, like a cup of tea, a favorite song, or a cozy blanket. 5. Opportunities and experiences. Consider the opportunities and experiences in your life that have helped you grow and learn, whether it's a challenging job, a new hobby, or a meaningful relationship. 6. Your accomplishments. Reflect on your personal accomplishments, whether big or small, and express gratitude for the hard work and dedication that helped you achieve them. 7. Everyday conveniences. Take a moment to appreciate the conveniences and technologies that make your life easier, such as a warm shower, a reliable car, or a smartphone that keeps you connected with loved ones. Remember, gratitude practice is about training your mind to focus on the positive aspects of your life, no matter how big or small. By incorporating simple gratitude exercises into your daily routine, you can cultivate a more positive outlook and enhance your overall well-being.